to install a socket in a stretched fabric panel by Cinema Build Systems. Use a socket mount of the same depth as the walling track and fit this to the wall. Next, fully stretch the fabric across your panel and mount. Using gentle pressure, press the fabric into the box area to locate the edges. With good scissors, cut corner to corner within the box area. Now trim the excess fabric, but leave 10 to 15 millimeters of fabric to tuck into the gap. Make sure the fabric cuts meet the corners fully. We can now insert the excess fabric into the gap between the mount and back box. Apply a little pressure on the fabric to hold it in place while inserting the excess. Continue by inserting the lower excess into the bottom gap. Once the top and bottom are complete, insert the fabric into the sides of the box. Take your time and don't rush, as we don't want to dislodge any fabric. Retrim any corners that are not seating correctly. Check all areas are seated correctly before continuing to the final stages. Using screws, clamp the bottom fabric between the box and the mount. Add screws to the top of the box. This will complete the clamping of the fabric. Now terminate any cables and insert the socket. This will complete the installation.